Hello and welcome to the AutoHarp tutorials. In this part we're going to create or add a new level to our character sheet. So let's just open up AutoHarp. Let's open up our character sheet. And let's add a level. To do that, come over here to the toolbar, click on the paper pencil with the plus on it, and you'll get the new level wizard. It'll tell me that I have 90 development points left. And if that seems a little confusing, let's go over that just for a quick second. The custom rule stated that I have 50. First level is 50 times 2, which is 100, but I had minus 10 because I created a hybrid, so I have 90. If I have two professions, I'd select the profession I'm updating or advancing, but since I only have the one, it's just going to be the cleric. Now if I want to make statistic changes, I come down here under the new value column and I start making changes by adding the new value that I want to add. So for strength, I'm going to up it by 2, and all I'm doing is just hitting the enter key, which brings me to the next cell down. I will enter in 51. I will put in 46, 61, that's fine, 51, and there we are. I say that'll be the end of that. Okay, under talents I can select, well, whatever talents I want to add to my character. And I'm going to add additional tradition so that I can maybe give myself an additional sphere that I can cast spells out of, give myself another favored spell category. And I'm also going to add combat perception because this guy is a paladin. And I'm going to add that. And then I'm going to click on next to go to the next screen. Here's where we're going to add our ranks to our character sheet. And I'm going to top off my missile weapon, which is right here under long blades. And to do that, I look for the ranks column, which is here, and I look for the skill that I want, and I click right there. You can click on the number, which will give you the spinless control. Add up arrow to add, down arrow to remove. And when you add skill ranks, it'll change color to let you know where you added your ranks. So I've got 26 left. I think I'm going to go into general and up my stamina by 1 here. I think I'm going to go into influence, top off my leadership. Give myself a little bit of some public speaking. I mean, he is kind of a knight. And some more trading. Let's go into mystical arts, give him some more developments, PowerPoint developments. And let's go to physical. I know I need some more armor ranks. I think that should be enough. I'll give one more just for safekeeping. And let's get that endurance up to 73. And I'm now down to 0. It'll also tell you how many ranks in any skill you can have. It's just so that you have that for reference. And then I'm done. I'll just click on next and that's the end. I will save this character sheet again because again it's not saved yet. Overwrite. And now I have Hatley at level 1. His profession cleric is at level 1. The hit points and the power points are all updated. You'll notice that the talents are also here as well. Combat perception, as you said, or as it says, gives me, instead of a minus 50, a minus 30. To reflect that, we'll come here to statistics and you'll see that there's a combat perception column right here. Could change that to minus 30. My defenses, as you can see, have changed slightly. The DB is now at an 85. Because the quickness bonus has changed because I've upped it, remember, to a 10. Or I upped it to, what does it say? Quickness is a 5, minus my armor quickness penalty, which is a 0, thanks to all those ranks that I've got in there. And the last thing I want to do is the additional tradition, which basically states that I can come under skills, and I'm going to take this warrior mage and set it as favored. And now I can start adding spells to the warrior mage sphere as well. And that should be the end of creating a new level under Harp. For the next tutorial, I will complete the character sheet by adding the rest of the levels and then go over some last minute changes that we'll do for the character sheet in general. Until then.